Hello everybody. Okay, so this is Dawn here. Welcome to my channel. We're going to put together a wreath. I bought this just, oh, there's hair on it. I bought this wreath right here for under $3 at Walmart. I think it was like $2.49. It's a pretty good size one. And then I bought some of these ornaments. Now I'm doing my tree in these types of shiny jewel tones and silver, so I thought I would carry the same look over to my wreath. And I may not be able to fit all of the, the wreath was $2.78. This was for the wreath. So, and what I can't fit on the wreath, I will put on other things to decorate for the holiday. So it's kind of like a peacock theme. So I got this beautiful little guy right here, and they have on them clips, a lot of them. So I'm thinking about just clipping in place what I can to see if I can make that work. And I want this guy right here to kind of be my centerpiece. So, but these beautiful ones right here don't have clips. So, you know what? I probably will just, I'm going to have to glue these down. So I need to kind of shape my branches a little bit. I did shape the wreath some. So we're going to use hot glue. I've got my hot glue gun all plugged in, and I'm just going to take a piece of this wire branch and kind of bend it upwards. And, I guess I need a glue stick. And I'm going to put some hot glue on that. And I'm also going to put some hot glue on my peacock, but I want to be a little careful because, well, you always want to be careful with the hot glue gun, but this is, has holes in it, so we don't want it to come like spilling out the other side while I'm putting hot glue on it and then burn myself. So I'm just going to hold that in place for just a couple seconds. Okay, we'll let that dry. I think it's sitting there pretty good. So, and now we've got this one, which I kind of want them to face. Well, the jewels are on this side, so it's just going to have to be this way. So I didn't think about that, how they were going to be, like, not facing each other. But they'll just be following each other then. So, here we go. I'm going to do that again. Take another one of these wire branches and bend it up. And I think I'm going to position him kind of right here. I'm not going to use any ribbon on this because I couldn't find the color that I liked perfectly. So we're just going to fill it in with some nice shiny ornaments and decorations. And I've got like a package of these tiny balls for filler. So we'll take these. It's a lot of glitter. And these are extremely lightweight. You do not need much glue at all. the glue dry completely. I gotta let me show y'all. Come on. Okay, here we go. Excuse those wires on the floor. Now I just have to let everything dry completely, which it should be about dry. It doesn't take long for hot glue to dry. And then we will find some place to hang it and then put it up. I feel like it needs something else, but I'll give you the final photo of it as it's hanging up at the end if I get one before this video goes up. All right, thanks so much for watching. Say goodbye, Fred.